Hi, welcome back to my channel, Be Successful. I'm Valentina, and I would like to talk to you today about elevating your bank account. Okay, how are you going to do that? One, I can show you how you can correct your W-4. Make sure you're bringing home the correct amount of money on your check each week or monthly or however often you get paid. Also, if you like to get your credit fixed, we have a DIY credit program. We step by step teach you how to correct and fix your credit through the program step by step. We have tutorials, trainings, weekly trainings on that to help you do that. We also have letters that you can send out to your debt collectors and get those squared away and get it taken care of. And you can get your credit report and get all that checked. Next, we have our ID Defender, the ID Defender Plus. Protect your identity. Make sure no one's is hacking into your information. You got protection for your computer, your desktop, your laptops, your phone, and all your devices, tablets, everything. We have that also. And we also have taxes. Tax season is almost coming up. So with that, we'll make sure we have professionals that can walk you through the process, and you can file your taxes online. You don't have to go into an office. You don't have to set an appointment. You just go ahead and you can utilize the services, and we have people that can help you with any of your tax questions. Not only help you with your filings, but tax questions as well. So if you're interested in that, we have that. And also we have travel. You can save up to 70% on your travel. We have a travel club. Travel club is beating the big guys, Expedia, Priceline, Travelocity, all of those. We have that. So if you're interested and want to know more information about that, and you would like to also join the business, because these products are digital products. They're not physical products that you have to sell from your home. No, these products we have, you can take them and like and share them with your family and your friends. Share them on social media. Um, once you um, once you get a membership and you get into the program and you start to use these products, you will have a testimony and you will be able to share those with others as well. So that's something awesome that you can do. Um, I would like to say also with the business side, you don't have to just do the business, but if you are looking for a home-based business, then this is a great option for you. You can do from home, do from anywhere. So this is an option for you that you can do. If you want to know more information, want access to this awesome program, then please down below, my information will be in the description. And thank you for tuning in to my video. Be successful. Bye.